Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered what those knobby, potato-like roots are in the produce aisle? Those are sunchokes, also called Jerusalem artichokes. They're actually a type of sunflower tuber, with a wonderfully crisp texture and a distinct sweet, nutty flavor. Many people compare them to water chestnuts or even artichoke hearts, making them a really unique and delightful addition to many dishes. Before cooking, it's really important to give your sunchokes a good scrub. You'll want to thoroughly wash them under cold water, getting all that dirt out of their nooks and crannies. Peeling is totally up to you. Their skin is edible, but some folks prefer to remove it for a smoother finish. A simple vegetable peeler works wonders, making preparation quite straightforward. Roasting is one of the best ways to enjoy sunchokes, as it really highlights their sweet, nutty flavor. Just toss your cleaned and cut sunchokes with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then spread them out on a baking sheet, making sure they have enough space. Roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they're beautifully tender and golden brown. They make a fantastic side dish. For a quicker option, sautéing sunchokes is absolutely delicious. Start by heating a little butter or your preferred oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add your thinly sliced sunchokes, making sure they are in a single layer so they cook evenly. Sauté them for about 5 to 10 minutes, turning them occasionally, until they are tender inside with a lovely light brown sear on the outside. They're perfect in salads. To keep your sunchokes fresh, store them unwashed in a paper bag inside your refrigerator's crisper drawer. They'll typically last for up to 2 weeks there. Once cooked, leftover sunchokes can be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for about 3 or 4 days. They are so versatile, wonderful raw in salads for crunch or pureed into a velvety soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.